Homemade muesli bars are a fantastic snack to have on standby. I'm going to show you my gluten-free version, and just to make it a little special, I'm going to cut them into love hearts, so also a really nice gift for your loved ones. This is gluten-free, so let's make the glue that's going to bind it all together. I'm going to start with a good amount of tahini. You could also use your favourite nut butter. We're going to place this into a pot. You could also just place this into a microwave-safe jug and just heat it up in the microwave. It's totally up to you. To this, I'll add some maple syrup. I love the flavour of vanilla, so I'm going to be using some vanilla extract. We want about a teaspoon. Now, to bring out all these flavours, I add a pinch of salt. And that's all we need for that stage. So I'm going to turn the heat on. While that melts away, we'll place our muesli into a bowl. This one's fantastic. It's got cranberries, macadamias, and 16 other gluten-free ingredients. So it's packed full of flavour. You want about 300 grams. And then once this has come to the boil and it's melted together, just give it a bit of a stir. We can pour that straight over. So super easy recipe to remember. And then that lovely tahini mixture. It's okay if it's still hot. Give that a really good stir to combine it all together. Just want to work that so it becomes one sticky mass, and just use the back of your spoon. It's looking good. Okay, I'm going to place this into a dish. I've just got a square one. It's a really good idea to line this with some cling film or some baking paper. It's just going to make it much easier to demold. We'll pour that in. And then again, with the back of your spoon, press down on the muesli so it's quite even. Spread it out. The flatter it is and the more compact it is, the better the love hearts are going to turn out. So just give yourself some time to press that in. Great. This now gets covered with some cling film into the fridge to firm up. This has firmed up nicely. We can take off that piece of plastic and then take that straight out of our dish. Now, of course, you can just cut these into muesli bars, so rectangles, or any shape you like. I kind of like the idea of doing something a little different with our love hearts. And I happen to have a love heart mould. So we're just using the sharp edge, and we're just going to cut and carefully take our love heart muesli bar out. We just want to slowly push it out so we keep that shape. And there you go. How cute. Now, I like to dress these with some chocolate. So what you need to do is just grab some melted chocolate, any chocolate you like, but I like dark chocolate. And we'll just do a drizzle over the top, just in one direction. And for some confetti, just some desiccated coconut over the top. Oh, I'll tell you what, if someone brought these muesli bars into work, I would be completely impressed. That is a gorgeous muesli bar made with love. Better make a few more of these because there's a few people around me that are wanting some of these delicious muesli bars.